yung kasama namin.
From Nueva Ecija, Pangasinan, para po sa ating provincial presentation. Ang dami namin. Pasensya na po kayo kasi hindi po kami nag-practice. Wala po namin kayo magandang awitin.
Yan, kay Jose Marican. Para mabilis matapos, sisimulan na natin. Sisimulan ko na nga para mabilis natin matapos.
Whenever I see girls and boys selling lantern on the street, I remember the child in the manger as he sleeps. Wherever there are people giving gifts, exchanging cards, I believe that Christmas is truly in their hearts. It's like Christmas trees for a bright tomorrow where things are at peace and all are one in God. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. This season's here, we never forget the love we had for Jesus. Let him be the one to guide us as another New Year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts. In every prayer and every song, the community unites. Our Savior Jesus Christ, His love like that starlight when the Christmas was born, lead us back to the manger where Christ the child was born. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let him be the one to guide us as another New Year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be all